Hi everyone, this is Scott, and I wanted to take a few minutes and talk to you about a brand new opportunity that is actually free and can actually make you a lot of money. A lot of people have been looking for methods for a long time to where they can go and make money online and not have to beg, borrow, and steal from their friends and end up becoming a member of the No Friends Left Club. Well, today is your lucky day, and I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and I want to show you this opportunity because I think it is absolutely fantastic. So, without further ado, this company is called Best Easy Work. And with Best Easy Work, you can easily make $500 a day. You will get a free 100% automated money-making website instantly when you go and become a member of this particular company. It is worldwide. You don't have to have any experience whatsoever. It's 100% fully automated, and there are guaranteed signups. So here's the best part. You can join Best Easy Work for free. All right. You don't have to pay anything, and you will actually earn $25 for every person that's referred to the site. Now, when people hear that, they automatically get turned off, and I understand why. Because you think that you're going to be expected to go out here and talk to your brother and your sister and your mother and all of your other family members to try and get them to come join you today in this business. And that's not how this works. This is absolutely fantastic. You can get paid daily, and there's so much in this that I want to draw your attention to this right here. You know, we talk about making money. We talk about how you can go out here and actually earn and get all of these referrals and all of this. But the bottom line is that hope is our mission. We want to help other people every day. And I'm going to show you how we actually do that, those of us who are already in the business at a particular level. So as you see here, this is our compensation plan. And Best Easy Work has probably one of the coolest compensation plans that I've seen for a business. There is a complimentary free option that is available, and we highly encourage you to come in as a free member. You're going to make $25 for every person that's referred to the site, and they actually become a paid member. But there's a little bit more to the story here in just a moment that I want to share with you that I think you will be quite pleased about. So what happens is these freebirds, as we refer to them, go out and advertise, and when someone becomes a paid member, that money actually rolls up to the person who sponsored the freebird. So for instance, let's say that I sponsor you and you come in as a free member, which I highly encourage. You're going to make $25 if someone comes in at the $88 level. All right. So you're going to make $25. If you make $25, that leaves the remainder between the 88 and the 25 in order for me to make a commission based on that. So that difference is actually going to roll up to me. And if you and I have been working together and you and I have spent the time to talk to one another and work with one another, and you're showing that you have the drive to do this and that you're willing to go out here and try to drive free traffic and try to find that paid traffic and get them to the website, then I am more likely to step in and say, okay, let's just go ahead and pay the difference between the free and the 88. So there's $88 there. Well, I'm willing to help you come up with that $88 to get you to that next level so that you can earn a higher commission. And that's kind of how most of the people who work this business operate. We want to see you become successful. And as you can see here, let's say that you came in at the $88 level. Your first referral, that's a paid referral, is going to pay you $50. Okay, so one sale nets you $50. 3 gets you 150. 5 gets you 250, and 10 gets you 500. Well, having netted that $500, you can then in turn upgrade your level so that the next person who comes in, and let's say that they come in at the $1,000 level, well, you can see how that would work. If you've upgraded to the $1,000 level, you're going to make $750 of that. So the beauty actually comes when you have these $50 overrides. All right. So if you look here, the levels 2 and 3 earn a $30 override from their team. So when someone below you actually refers someone that becomes a paid member, if there's a difference between their level and your level, then you're going to get the difference in those commissions. Additionally, you could qualify for those overrides. Now, obviously, they're not going to pay twice for that. So whichever is higher is what you're going to earn for that. All right, so obviously, if you're at the $5,000 level, you're going to collect at all levels. Okay, so there are a couple of videos in that main website that you want to take a look at, and you'll have another opportunity to take a look at that income chart again once you get logged in and start looking at what level you would like to come in at. I mean, where else can you come in at a $5,000 level and earn $4,000 commissions when someone joins you at that level? If you only have 10 sales in a year, you're going to make $40,000. So, you know, you can play around with a calculator and look at that math if you want to, but I think you're missing out on an opportunity if you don't. But again, Best Easy Work is for individuals 18 years of age and older. And again, it is worldwide. So you do not have to be, you do not have to have any experience. You don't have to do anything extra. It's just going out and marketing that business. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below this video. And all of my contact information is below the video as well. But if I can be of service to you, don't hesitate to reach out and talk to me. Connect with me on Facebook, Instagram. I'd be happy to work with you and do what I can to help you get where you want to be. So without further ado, hope that you have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you soon. Have a great day.